All right, so let's take a look and see what happened in the markets today, Monday, February 8th. And we try to do this in 5 minutes or less. So stocks hit record highs today, and the Dow and the S&P 500 now had 6 days in a row where they finished up higher. But let's take a closer look at the indices and let's see where all of the indices finished. So right here, we're looking at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones finishing up 0.8%, and as you can see, up and away, making a new record high here. But the Dow wasn't the only one. Here, looking at the S&P, very similar picture, also new record high, and then we have the Nasdaq gaining 0.7%, making a new all-time high as well. Now, Disney was one of the best Dow stocks today, gaining 4.9% already, and this is before this week's earning reports. Now, Disney will report earnings in 3 days, but they already made a jump today, 4.8%. So is there somebody who already knows something? Well, we will see what happens on Thursday when Disney is reporting earnings. Now, another winner in the Dow was Chevron. Chevron was up 2.5% after crude oil. Let's take a look at crude oil. So crude oil here jumped to its highest level in over a year, and this is due to declining COVID cases, more vaccinations, and then there's the additional stimulus, and all of this are expected to boost energy demand as the economy gets back on track. Now, talking about stimulus, now Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen weighed in on President Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus plan over the weekend. She was talking to CNN and said that the US could reach pre-pandemic levels below 4% next year if Congress passes the massive package. And we're talking about unemployment. And she also cited a Congressional Budget Office report that suggested that without any additional support, it could take 4 years to get the unemployment rate back down to 4%. And if you look at what happened here last week, the jobs report that was released last week, let's just zoom in here for a moment. Hold on. Let's mark it up so that we can see it. So last week, the unemployment rate dropped to 6.3%. Now, going back to the markets, well, who hasn't been watching Bitcoin today? Bitcoin actually skyrocketed, as you can see, 14% to a record high after Tesla said it bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and Tesla also said that it would now accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Now, Tesla stock was higher on the news too, finishing up 1.3%, but as you can see, Tesla is still stuck in this range right up here between $800 and $900. Now, talking about Tesla, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, was already making waves in the cryptocurrency market. Now, earlier this month, he started tweeting about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin hit a new high today after Musk said a bunch of tweets over the weekend, as you can see here. D is Dogecoin, the people have spoken, who let the dog out? And anyhow, and this rally in cryptocurrencies helped blockchain stocks soar as well. And one of the big gainers was RIOT. So RIOT blockchain jumped more than 40% today. And this company mines Bitcoin and also said they appointed a new board member, Jason Les, as its new CEO. So what's in store for this week? Well, earnings season isn't completely over, and there are several dozen S&P companies reporting this week. Now, taking a look at the economic calendar, let's take a quick look and see what is happening there. And as you can see, not a whole lot going on here on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have the core retail sales that are being released. Then we have Fed Chair Powell speaking on Wednesday as well. And of course, right now, all eyes are on the unemployment claims that are being released on Thursday. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less, and it only took us 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Anyhow, keep in mind, always trade what you see, not what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.